Do you share your manifestations with your pals just to have them inform you of your limitations? Oh yes, you do that sometimes. I did it earlier and was disappointed. Later, when I went on an inner journey, I found the cause to be me. Today, I will share with you my experience. That will help you to understand why it makes no sense to share what you are manifesting with others and why it can hinder your progress. There is a very clear one-point answer to it. Some of you might have guessed it until now, and the answer is they are only reflecting your assumptions and beliefs. That's it. You just keep on forgetting that the world is a mirror of what we believe it to be. We are just wearing some glasses that are not showing us the reality that actually exists. These glasses are showing you what you believe. Beliefs are formed over time and can be changed over time. Things appear to be wrong in your experience of reality because of the past assumptions you held. I was the most socially prominent person once. I had many friends and I easily made connections. I believed that about me subconsciously because my father was also a socially prominent person. So, I just adopted this assumption and belief, and I kid you not, everywhere I went I found some people who knew me. People in my life reflected this aspect of me. They used to say that I am the one that can easily make friends and network easily. My communication skills were so good that everyone enjoyed my company and loved to spend their time with me. Then came a phase in my life in which I started reserving myself. I started believing that I would stay alone. People would leave me alone and whatnot. And that started reflecting in my reality. I don't know why I did it, but I did it unconsciously and slowly. Some friends left, some cheated on me, and on it went. They again reflected what I believe. I started complaining and telling others that they did this to me, and some of them are not even in contact with me now. I went towards my downfall. Before that, I was a very talented person. I was a home tutor, teaching foreign language to middle school students when I myself was in high school, getting paid a very good amount at that time. Everyone is praising me and telling me that we are so happy for you. God has gifted you with this talent and skill. It all happened because I believed I could do this easily and effortlessly. During my downfall, I completely shattered myself with my false assumptions about myself. At that time, one of the closest people to me repeatedly told me that I didn't have any talent and I would not be able to do anything in this life. It was a really terrible moment. I used to tell people about my goals, and in the back of my mind, I began to doubt their possibility of happening. That again got reflected through them in the form of doubts and limitations. They told me again and again what I already know. This happens all the time. The words may be different, but the expression will be the same. So, telling them before believing in the possibility of it happening would only reflect the doubts. There is no one in this world, apart from you, that needs to believe in your manifestation. You only have to convince yourself, and it will show up. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.